As the question says, a swimmer wishes to cross a 500-meter wide river flowing at 5 kilometers per hour. His speed with respect to water is 3 kilometers per hour. If he heads in a direction making an angle theta with the flow, find the time he takes to cross the river. Find the shortest possible time to cross the river. Let us deal with the first part of this question. If we draw the diagram for this problem, we are having the river flowing at 5 kilometers per hour. The person heading at an angle theta with the 3 kilometers per hour velocity with respect to the river. Now, we all know that only the vertical component will be responsible to let him cross the river. So we can say that only 3 sine theta component will take him to the opposite side. The distance has been given as 0.5 kilometers. So we get the time as the distance d upon the velocity, that is 0.5 over 3 sine theta hours. Converting it into minutes, we get 10 upon sine theta minutes. Now, this is the time it will be taking when it is heading at an angle of theta. But in the second part, they are asking us what is the shortest possible time. We all have come to know that the time is definitely the d distance, that is, if we take this distance as d upon v sine theta for any simple case, that is like this one also, in which angle is theta. Now, for the time to be minimum, that is the least, sine theta should be maximum, which is 1. So taking sine theta equals to 1, we get time equals to d by v, that is the distance d, which has been given as 500 upon 3 into 1000 over 60, giving us 10 minutes. Now here we have taken sine theta equals to 1, which means that theta is actually 90 degrees, which further shows that this person should actually head perpendicular with respect to this velocity of the river in order to cross this river in the shortest possible time.